In continuation with the previous set of solving problem on percentage, we shall continue few more problems. Here the question is, a batsman scored 120 runs which included 3 boundaries and 8 sixes. What percentage of total score did he make by running between the wickets? So this question is, the batsman has scored 120 runs. So he has scored 3 boundaries, that is 3 into 4, and 8 sixes, that is 8 into 6. Okay, so that will be equal to 60. Okay, from 120, if we subtract 60, his running between the wickets will be equal to, running between the boundaries and sixes will be equal to 60. Okay, now we need to calculate 60% is what percent of 120. So 60 by 120 into 100 is equal to 50 percentage. If you are smart enough, by seeing the question or by seeing that it is 60, you could sense that 120, 60 is half percentage of 120, that will be equal to 50 percentage. You could sense it very clearly. Okay, so the option 1 will be the right answer. Now the next question. Before getting into that question, you should know this formula, successive percentage change. Whenever you have such cases, okay, when you have successive percentage, A percentage and B percentage increase, then you should use the formula as A plus B plus AB by 100 percentage. If there is successive discount, okay, whenever discount comes, it will be A plus B minus AB by 100 percentage, okay. So when you encounter these type of problems, please use these formulas. Suppose if there is results on population, okay, whenever you have a certain population, you have it in a town as P and it's increase at rate R percentage, you can use this formula. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. Whenever N years ago means, you will have that in the denominator. P by 1 plus R by 100 into N. Okay. Now we will move on to the next problem. If the side of a square is increased by 55 percentage, its area is increased by what? So here we are supposed to use the previous concept. So now the answer is, side is equal, area is equal to side into side, that is A squared. Now net percentage change in area will be x plus y plus xy by 100. That is successive increase in the percentage. So 55 A plus 55 plus 55 into 55 by 100, that is equal to 140.25 percentage. We have used this formula. Okay, A plus B by, plus AB by 100 formula. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to use the concept in these type of problems. Now the next question. In measuring the sides of a rectangle, one side is taken 20% in excess, the other 10% in deficit. Find the error percent in area calculated. Here, one is increasing, the other is decreasing. So, accordingly, we should use the formula. So, here, side into side is equal to area. Okay, for particular type of, it is nothing but L into B. Okay, so now error percent is equal to x plus y plus xy by 100. This is the formula. But here 20 is increasing and 10 is decreasing. So 20 minus 10 plus AB minus 10 into 20 by 100. Here 10 into 20 will be 200. So zeros gets cancelled. You will have minus 2. Here 20 minus 10 is 10. You have 10 minus 2. 8. So 8% of excess you will get for this type of answer for this problem. So your answer 3 will be the right answer. Now water tax is increased by 40%, but its consumption is decreased by 40%. The increase or decrease in the expenditure is what? Now tax into consumption is equal to expenditure. Now, this same type of problem, x plus y plus xy by 100. So, 40 excess minus 40 decrease. So, 40 into minus 40 will be equal to minus 16%. Since there is a negative number here, the expenditure is decreased by 16%. The same formula, you're supposed to know how and why we are using minus and plus. If a negative number comes, there is decrease. If a positive number comes, it is increase. Okay. So, we will move on to the next problem. The value of a machine depreciates at the rate of 10% every year. It was purchased 3 years ago. If its present value is 8,748 rupees, its purchase price was what? Now, in order to solve these type of problems, you should understand this results on depreciation. You're purchasing a machine after n years, its value will be p into 1 minus r by 100 to the power of n. When it is asked n years ago, it is p by 1 minus r by 100 to the power of n. So, using this formula, we will substitute here. P is equal to present 8748 present rate, r is equal to minus 10. Okay, it is n years ago, it is getting decreased, so n is equal to 3. On putting the values in the formula, we will get it as 12,000 rupees. Okay, so its purchase price was 12,000. So in order to understand all the percentage problems, please remember all the concept which has been taught. Okay, stay tuned for next set of videos in aptitude series. Thank you.